4-line 6-bite ring knot. It has 2 strands, and with a mixed weave it forms a chevron pattern. Form 2 starter loops. They are the foundation of many a lanyard knot. Give yourself a length of 30 centimeters to work with. Working in an anti-clockwise direction with the yellow line, go under the green line and through the yellow loop. And the same goes for the green line. Put it through the green loop. Make sure it's under the yellow loop. So I think that's the only trick step in this knot. Make sure the loops keep their shape. They want to spring out into chaos. Now with the green line, you have to go between the posts and through the yellow loop. It's almost like going through the back of the yellow loop. And with the yellow line, go between the posts and through the back of the green loop. And firm the loop up and then relax it and let it balance itself out a bit. Now with the green line in that anti-clockwise direction, run it past its own post and through the ring knot. And with the yellow line, the same thing. Run it past its post and around it, and complete the tie by threading it through the knot. And just out of interest, you'll see that we started the yellow line on the left and the green line on the right, and as they exit the knot, they swap sides. And while I'm tidying up the knot, I just wanted to show you the geometry of this knot. It's a 4-line 6-bite knot. The pattern is under, under, over, over, over. I'm calling it for the green. Under, over, over. And from the diagram you can see that it's simply 2 overhand knots. And here it is all finished. It has a pattern of chevrons pointing to the left. It's a cylindrical knot, so if you wanted the chevrons to point to the right, just turn it inside out. It's a slightly loose-fitting knot, it's not completely snug. And that's quite enough knot tying for today.